Marcos. Is Marcos here? We're going to Peony Field. Hi guys, it's me here, Marcus. And then we're at PNE Fun Park. And then
Is it good?
yeah, it was good. And then I got a sword. And then we did spinning. And then we went flying.